How's it? I'm Kev. The brown mud from last time dried to a matte finish, but I really liked it when it was wet. So to bring back that wet look, I'm laying down a few coats of gloss Mod Podge. I'm using a colour recipe from the Courageous Colour channel to make sage green. I'm mixing the colour into the bristles of the brush that I'll be using for the plants. And here I'm cutting off bristles and planting them. I really like how the sage green contrasts with the red, orange and brown. I've run out of time, so I'll plant the other side of the tracks later. Hopefully before next time's running session. Thanks for watching. Press the like button.